Hello, would you like to learn how to do raffles for your stream? I've got you covered. So we're gonna use a bot called Mix It Up. So once you've logged into the Mix It Up bot, you're going to go down to this magical thing called giveaways. You're gonna click it. Giveaway item is just the title of your giveaway. You can type this as whatever you want. I'm gonna put doodle. Command. This is what people are gonna have to type into your chat in order to enter the raffle. Total time is how much time is the raffle going for in minutes. Reminder. This is when a reminder will pop out to remind people that a raffle is going in your chat. Maximum entries is how many people can enter the raffle. If you have a small chat, just have it be like 30 people. Whatever is your max, just have it above your max normal viewership. Exclamation claim is at the end of the raffle, people will have to exclamation claim in the chat in order to claim the reward. Allow past winners is just letting people who have already entered a raffle to enter again. Usage requirements. This is advanced technology. You can dive back into it, but I touched it and it was a landmine for me on my subathon. So that's not what this video is going to be about. Start/reminder is how your event will start and what the reminder message will be. So for mine, I have a simple message that lets people know that the raffle's begun. And to get a doodle raffle, they have to use !enter to enter. And you can add whatever you want. You can add images over your stream. You can add music. You can add little bings. You can add bongs. You can add dingle dangles. And when you're done adding everything here, you push the save button. Make sure you push the save button when you're doing stuff. It's very important, all right? This is the test button, this is the save button. We always save, and then you close the window. Join user. This is what happens when a user joins your raffle. I have a simple message that is just user name has entered the raffle. This just lets them know that they've entered the raffle. Winner won. When the winner wins, they might want to know that they've won. So I put congratulations or $, username, you've won the raffle, and all the instructions they need to know of how to redeem their prize. And to start your raffle, you just push the start giveaway and it will activate. This lets you know how long you have left, the actual winner. And over here on the other side above me is the names and total of how many of the users who have entered the raffle. And that is everything you should need to know to do a giveaway with Mix It Up Bot. I hope this helps.